This is Gentry Bridgman. I don't know if you can see her or not, but here she is. Gentry Bridgman, and again, she's been thinking about giving her life to Christ. We're very thankful for it. She's been thinking about it for a while. Very awesome young lady, an awesome family. So we're just going to ask her a couple of questions. Gentry, do you believe that Jesus is the Christ, the Son of the living God? And do you wish now to die a watery death and be raised to new life? All right. Do your confession of faith. I now baptize you in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Jesus belongs to me, not for the years of time alone, but for eternity.
All right, this is Janelle Bridgman, and Janelle was afraid I was going to hold her under. I'm not going to do that. Maybe. Janelle, do you believe that Jesus is the Christ, the Son of the living God? Do you wish now to be baptized, raised to new life? All right. View your confession of faith. I baptize you in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.